The Kansas City Keys, who have been serving the youth of Kansas City for over 39 years, and Males to Men are asking for your support for our Now Valley 100,000 pounds of food project. That's right, 100,000 pounds. Over the past year, we have offered aviation scholarships, taught the youth how to tie ties and go on hunts, and much more. We are now looking to become self-sufficient and produce over 100,000 pounds of food on less than 1 acre of land in the food desert of Kansas City, Missouri. I have had the pleasure to meet and learn from Will Allen of Growing Power. Will produces 1 million pounds of food on less than 3 acres of land in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. What is aquaponics? Our tilapia are fed natural food, which then turns into waste. That waste is pumped up to our vegetables and provides nutrients to our leafy greens. After the water leaves our vegetables, it is returned back into our fish as clean water. That is aquaponics. I'm Dre Taylor, founder of Males to Men and project manager of the Kansas City Keys Now Valley Aquaponic Greenhouse System. Males to Men and Kansas City Keys is partnering to build the first African American owned and operated commercial aquaponic system.
This project will be the first African American owned and operated commercial aquaponic greenhouse in the country powered by solar panels. This greenhouse will produce approximately 40,000 heads of the freshest chemical-free salad and cooking greens, culinary herbs, and nutrient-rich vegetables, along with 10,000 pounds of fresh fish while producing zero waste in a year's time.
Our goal is ultimately to produce over 100,000 pounds of food on 2/3 acre of land. With your help, we hope to raise at least $10,000 to complete our fundraising goal. Please help.